The plastic sink front tip-out trays from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. Remove the false door front and lay to the side. Install the right tip-out hinge to the face frame, lining up the front of the hinge to the front of the face frame. Repeat on the left side. Determine the overlay of the door front and line up the bottom of the hinge on the overlay line and attach the tip-out hinges to the door front. Placing the tip-outs on the door front, center top to bottom and left to right. Mark the mounting locations. Now lay the tip-outs to the side and start the mounting screws. Do not tighten all the way. Slide the tip-outs into position and then tighten the screws. Tilt the door to the desired opening position and turn the adjustment screw clockwise until you feel resistance. Check operation to make sure the tip-outs clear the face frame.